Hi, we are happy to announce our corporate, which now named as Store, and some other enhancements. In this corporate to Store, we have changed the name from Corporate Store, or B2B Store, to Store. For Store there are UI and UX related changes. Corporate specific designer studio fonts. Product and shipping discount for stores. Approval pending order list of all department. Proof approved email notification to customers. Auto create corporate customer. The major change we have done is that we have changed the name of corporate management to store management, and everywhere in admin we have kept it as store. So if you go inside admin, you can see store management instead of corporate management. Everywhere in admin now corporate name has been updated as store. If you go to product and want to assign a product to a specific store, here also it is named as store instead of corporate. So right now there will be two stores. First, default store, previously we were saying it as retail store, and second store which was known as corporate or B2B store. The next thing we have done is some UI and UX related changes. Let's see all the changes related to UI and UX. So at the store listing page you can see all major things. Previously we were having a lot of tabs here, right now we have synced some of tabs. If you click on configuration we have kept a lot of feature under it as a card. So here you can configure all the things like website logo, theme configuration, email notifications, settings, pages personalization, custom CSS, and inventory. Also one major change we have made is in product assignment, so previously we were able to assign product directly with markup. Right now we have made some changes and created one other tab names as product markup. So while creating corporate you can give markup type, like it's a discount or markup. Discount means price will decrease, and markup means price will increase. So while assigning any of the product, if you have selected discount then discounted price will be visible. Apart from it we have master markup. So you can click on master markup with fix and dynamic markup type, and assign these master markups directly. Now moving ahead, the third one is corporate specific designer studio fonts. Now you can add font for specific corporate. Go to Designer Studio and click on Studio Fonts. Click on Add PDF Fonts. Here you can select specific corporate. So this font will be visible to the specific corporate designer studio only. The next feature is product and shipping discount. Previously we were not able to give discount for specific store. If you go under coupons and discount, now you can select specific store, while creating any of coupon and discount. The next feature is approval pending order list for all department. So previously if an approver was approver for multiple departments, then whenever he login system asks him to log in into a specific department, and he can see pending order for approval for that specific department. And to approve order for other department he has to log in each department, and then he can approve the orders. So right now, we the approver can log in into any department, and the pending order list will be visible, so we can approve it in one go, instead of logging in into multiple department. Moving on, the next feature is proof approved email notification to end customer. So previously if end customer is giving approval of artwork, in that case the system was not sending proof approval email. So right now we have enhanced it, and customer will get email notification for proof approval. The next feature is auto create corporate customer. Earlier whenever we were adding any of the store, to check we have to create one customer. Hence, now while creating a corporate we have given one button named Add as front customer with the given email ID. Hope you like all the enhancements. If you have any more queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com.